Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TX FPV. Still on the beginner series. Today I'll be unboxing the Radiomaster TX16S MKii, which is one of the most popular transmitter in the FPV hobby. I actually got the Radiomaster TX16S MKii, the 4-in-1 variant, because I've been flying fixed wing, so I have other receivers like the Flyscan Spectrum, and I would like to use this my new radio with those receivers. So I actually got the 4-in-1 variant. Then I got an external ELRS module. It comes in the 4-in-1 multi-protocol variant and also the ELRS. The ELRS variant has ELRS module on board, while the 4-in-1 doesn't. So you have to use external module with it. It has a standard GRB. I'll be unboxing this radio so we can see everything inside the box, and also talking about all the features. But I'm not talking about flashing the ELRS firmware in this video. I'll be making videos subsequently about flashing ELRS on the module before setting everything up. This transmitter comes with an HTX operating system. So let's get to it. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have the, I think this is like a warranty card also. We have the extra gift inside, the HTX Radiomaster stickers. We have the user manual for the TX16S MKii. So let's see what is inside the box. Well, the TX16S MKii by Radiomaster. This is a very solid transmitter. If you are willing to spend a lot on your transmitter, I suggest you get something like this or the Boxer, but this has an advantage of a 4.3-inch display. So let's see other things inside the box so we can talk about the TX16S itself. And it comes with a Type-C USB cable, plus the port for flashing the firmware, and also charging port is a Type-C port. This is an extra grip for this under. If you want to replace a grip, you can. It comes with extra grips for both sides. Also with the 4.3-inch screen guard for the 4.3-inch display. A battery pack for 18650 cells. So if you are not using the lithium-ion cells to power it, you can use two 18650 cells to power the transmitter, and also a free key holder by Radiomaster. And you have an Allen key, then with 4 extra springs. That's everything inside the box. This is a 4-in-1 multi-protocol. Comes with ELRS version as well, but this is not the ELRS version. This is a 4-in-1 because you can use this one to control other receivers you have. It's a very good transmitter. I've been using it to fly on simulator, and the gimbals feel very fine. Like, they are very good, and they have a good a long throw. So, and also this comes with HTX operating system. There's a scroll wheel, it has button, and also a 4.3-inch touch display, so you can operate it from the touchscreen or using the scroll wheel and also the buttons. It comes with a standard GRB for a standard GRB module, and also this is powered by 2S lithium ion 18650 battery. This is 7.4 volt 2S 5000 milliamps lithium ion cell. The charging slot, the charging port is under. There's also a UART port here, and also this is the SD card, but has 2 UART ports under. There's also a charging indicator. When you plug it in, it shows red, also green here. There's another port up here. This is a port where you can flash your firmware, and also another jumper port. And you have the headset port behind the transmitter. So I'll just power this up to show you what it looks like. But this video is not all about setting up the radio. I'll make a video about setting up the radio. So you just hold the power button and shows you can enter any of the section with the scroll wheel, and also you can use the touch. I'll be making videos on how to set up this radio. I just want to show you what the radio looks like and everything inside the box. So we've seen everything inside the Radiomaster TX16S MKii, and also brief overview of what the radio looks like. I'm making videos on how to flash Elrs firmware on the external module, how to set up the module, and also the Radiomaster TX16S radio, how to select model, how to assign switches and everything. I'll be making the video subsequently. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'll be making different FPV content and also beginner series on how to guide new guys coming into FPV hobby. Thank you very much.